Your short straddle has reached the break even. The normal adjustments are no longer working. Most traders reduce the quantity here. I do the opposite. I take the position from 1x to 2x with the proper plan. In this video, I'm going to show you that straddle adjustment, which is my last resort when other adjustments no longer works. Watch this video till the very end, and if you're short of time, save this video and watch it later. If you're into option selling, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how we can counterattack the adjustments when our break even is breached. It's gonna be very interesting class on straddle. Number one danger point. Let me show you on the payoff, and we're gonna dig a lot deeper into the adjustments today. So here we are on the simulator. I'm not here to teach you how to make a short straddle. It's very easy. Just sell the call and sell the put. This is gonna be an adjustment based video, and I'm gonna cut the fat and cut the fluff and tell you exactly on the point. I value my time and yours as well. Now here, I've picked this series because in this particular series, there was a massive fall and naturally sold options were in trouble. Simple monthly straddle we are making now. As I move ahead after the adjustments, I'm going to tell you some more things. So you're going to witness the power of knowledge of options adjustment. So let's go ahead. And this is now, as you can see, Monday. Market is behaving, but now it's gonna suddenly give a very extreme cut, a sharp fall. It was 8th of July when I guess US attacked Iran, right? And it was really took everybody by surprise, and this is where big losses happen. This is where the stop losses 10, 20, 30,000 get hit. And now what you see here, that around 3 p.m. this was major attack, not just geopolitically, but also attack in our options trading. As you can see, sharp cut, and now it has reached the straddle. Now, this is where people look to sell call options. This is where people look to go bearish. There are so many adjustments one can do. I have at least 5 to 7 adjustments of short straddles here on this channel. But today, I'm going to give you a counter attack adjustments, which I do it a lot. Now let's see. It has reached here, and naturally the trade is in loss. So what to do? Step number one is that I completely square off my original straddle. So this is 122.1. Here we go, 122.1. And if you know that you have learned everything about options and you've been trading from past 5 years, well, that's the ego which is stopping a trader to learn more. You see this now, right? This is done. Loss is taken. 3 p.m. Now we go to option chain, right? We open option chain and we have to see where the market is right now. Here we go. This is an option chain right here. Now I will sell the call, double the quantity, and I sell the put, double the quantity as well. This is not all. I'm going to do more into this. This is market has gone down, square off my original straddle, came down where at the money is, and I created the same series, but I have jumped the quantity to double. Let's see about this. Let's see how does it go now. Obviously, market has given a big crash, but my break even has gone down also. So far, it's making sense. Now let's see what happens when we counter attack instead of defending, instead of being scared in the markets. Well, risk management is a part of it. I want to tell you that. That's very important. But let's just focus what's on your screen now. One day have gone after doing this adjustments. And what do you see? How come the recovery happened so fast? Because now the theta decay we expect to be with 2x speed. Obviously, because now instead of 1, we've sold 2 short straddles. Clear so far? Yes. And now market is here. Market is hovering around over here. What is the logic of doing a short straddle or short strangle? The logic is that market trends and then market consolidates. That's the original plan. And then market trends and then market consolidates. The place where market takes a breather is where we are counter-attacking the market. Are you with me? right? Have you seen the market where market is just trending and trending and trending for weeks, for days without stopping? It can happen in stock, but we are talking about index here. So market trends, obviously, naturally, a break even gonna get hit. But when market takes a breather, this is where we are doing double strike down with the straddle. I hope this point is absolutely crystal clear on what exactly we are doing. And I'm going to talk to you about position sizing as well, of course. I won't leave you just with, half information. I'll give you as much information as you possibly can. And one thing which you must remember, one bad trade can wipe off the profits of 5 to 7 trades. On Sunday, I teach 3 strategies I do not teach publicly, especially strategy number 2. To learn more, the form is on the first pinned comment. It takes 10 seconds to fill the form and get all the details about the Sunday's class. Now let's go ahead and see what's happening with this. Now 15th have come and 16th have come, and what do you see here is that, well, in terms of recovery happened on the very next day itself, as you saw. But if we hold on to the trade, then what do we see here is approximately 1, 3, 4, 5, 5. There are some more moving parts to this as well. Remember, what is the original idea? The original idea is that trend and then market takes a breather. The way the market takes a breather, this is where we counter strike with double the quantity. When you are selling a short straddle, we already know that we are taking a little extra risk, because short straddle is a combination of selling a call and selling a put option. Clear? Yes, we already aware of it. This is not a hedge strategy, and this strategy is not for everybody also, because it takes certain amount of sort of risk-taking ability, because the reward is also high in this. Mostly people who trade alongside their job, etc., they like to do short straddles, because naturally we do not bet on the direction of the market. Now here are the important points which you must know. Number 1, start with only 50% quantity of original intended. Suppose if I could trade 4 lots, so I trade with 2. Two things will happen. Either market will remain in the range and make profit, and that's fine, live in the vida loca. But if market touch a break even, counter attack. That is something. It's a very aggressive adjustments. And before you jump to the conclusion, it's not all miss one condition and it becomes dangerous averaging. So that is something which we must know. We are just not simply, averaging blindly. That is not the point. The real secret is not doubling. I want to repeat this. If you're learning from me, I want to tell you the strong points and the weak points as well. And how do we convert the weak points into our favor? So the real secret is not doubling. I can't just simply, sell a short straddle tomorrow or day after. There got to be some rules. The real secret is how the first quantity was planned. You know what the best adjustment is? That best adjustment is the trade should not even reach the adjustment point. Now, this is a template which I want to give you, so you can take a screenshot of this. Quantity 1x, break even, delta, and margin, how much it takes. You note down, and then you note down the trade result. And after that, quantity 2x, break even, delta. I hope to give you clues in the future on what basis, when is the time to plan the first entry into the markets. Knowing the strategy is common. Knowing exactly when to use is the real edge. Fill the pinned form for Sunday's workshop. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. I've given you some adjustments, and I've given you some very aggressive adjustments as well. It's about capital management, planning, adjustment, strike selection. The problem is not the information. The problem is that it's not that how many adjustments do a trader know of short straddle. The main thing is, do we know the exact adjustment we need to do under a specific market condition? That kind of a clarity of profit booking, of adjustments, of hard exits into the trade, that is something a trader must know before trading into the markets. And here's my attempt to give you a different perspective of adjusting short straddles. You can watch the entire videos about short straddle. Search for the rules. And then here, on such a short amount of time, what have you learned right now? I want you to make notes. Don't jump into the other video. I'm going to have a video suggestion right after this, the video which you can watch right after this. And think about your trading results and think about the missing links which you have in your trading and think about how you can fix it fast. Thanks for watching and I wish you all the very best. Take care, signing off. Bye-bye.